reader. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Have fun reading.
Teach your child to read in 100 easy lessons. Join us in the fun. Little Angel Reader. Hello, Max. We're doing lesson, look at the number, 85. These are capital letters. What kind of letters are they?
Capital.
Capitals. Okay. Touch
And
capital.
these are capital.
Capitals, yeah. Can you touch capital H? Where's capital H? Where's capital H?
H.
Okay,
H.
capital G. Capital G. Okay, well done. Capital P. P, parrot. Yeah, this one is P. This one is Q. This is P. Can you touch capital B? Capital B. Ball. Capital Q. Q. Now, can you touch S? Capital S. S. Now, can you touch G again?
What's this?
R.
Start?
Capital R.
Start?
Kinda, not really.
Start.
It's our rst. Q-R-S-T. Max, capital D.
First.
This is G, capital D. Where's D? Quickly, let's finish the lesson.
Twist.
This is D, okay? And the capital A? The last one, capital A. This one? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Oh, Z. Okay, quickly, read the words, read the words. What word? Remember, this is ing, and this is dig. Digging. What word?
Digging.
Digging.
Must.
Must. Dug.
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 They.
After. Yard.
Yard.
Let's read them together. Digging.
Digging.
Must. Dug.
Dug.
They. After. Yard. Okay, more words. Remember, we'll need these words when we read the story. More words and then the story. Okay. What word is it? Yeah.
That's it. Jake again.
Jake. Hi, Jake. You're yellow, like Max's pants. Okay, Jake and Max, can you read Hole. Maybe there will be a hole in the story. Ooh, interesting. Remember, these two say E. Leave. Don't leave me alone. This is a number. Five. Five. Into. Every. Max, the letter Y in the end makes E sound. Every, happy. Okay, this easy word is? Dog. Maybe there will be a dog in the story. And a hole. Okay? Hold. Yes, hold. Away.
Start.
Stay. Just stay. Were.
Must.
What? This is must. Inside. Inside. Let's read the words together. Max, quickly. Hole. Repeat after me. Hole. Leave. No, look at the words. Look at the words. Quickly. The batteries are dying. Oh, the gun. Hole. Leave. Five. Into. Every. Dog. Hold. Away. Stay. Were. Inside. Okay. Okay, Max, read the title of the story.
Dog.
The
dog. That.
Dug. Part 1.
Fun.
Dug is past tense from digging. The dog that dug. The dog was digging, yeah? The dog that dug. Okay, Max.
You're a pretty girl.
I'm a pretty girl? Thank you. You're so sweet. I am a sweet boy.
An old dog.
Let me touch it. Okay.
Liked to. That's short story,
Yeah,
yes?
it's a short story, that's right. And our dog liked to do what? To dig. To dig.
That
Mhm.
dog
That dog
went
digging on
a farm.
farm. And look, there's a circle letter A. First question. Where did he go digging?
To a farm.
Okay, to a farm. On a farm. He
The dog
made. Remember, this is a word that we practice.
hold.
Hole. The dog made hole after hole after
Hole.
hole. What does that mean? Hole after hole after hole, Max. What does it mean? He made many. What?
Hole.
Holes. Okay.
A
Mm-hmm.
farm.
Wait. This one. Man.
Man on a farm
The farm. Said.
said that dog must.
That
That dog must
leave
that
this, not that, this
farm.
farm. Why did the man said this dog must leave this farm? Why? Because the dog was doing what? Digging
Hole.
holes. Okay.
So the dog went to a
Hole.
home to
Live
with that
with
a boy and a girl.
the second letter C. So where did the dog go now?
To a
To a-
new home.
Home. To live with a boy and a girl. Okay.
But the dog did not stop this.
Stop what? Digging.
Dig.
But the dog did not stop digging. The
The dog
went
into
other yards.
yards.
And
And
what did he do? Dug.
dug ten
10
more
what?
holes.
Holes. He dug 10 more holes. Oh no. Soon there
There
were.
were
Hello. Are you reading? Read again from here.
so
Soon. Remember, this is ooh. Soon there
there
were.
holes
Uh-huh.
in
Every
day
yard.
yard.
Yard. Circle letter D. Do you suppose that made people happy? Holes in every yard. Did it make people happy?
No,
No, I think people were
sad.
sad and maybe even angry, yeah? Okay.
The boy and the girl said that dog must stop
Doing what?
digging
Digging what?
holes.
Holes, okay. That dog must stop digging holes.
That they made
Uh-huh.
the dog
Stay. Stay. Stay where? They made the dog stay where? Inside. Inside.
For-
For
5
5 what? Days. They made the dog stay inside for 5 days. Oh. Then
the dog went
into
the road
no,
Yard.
yard. Into the yard.
and
Dug. This is a short word. Dug. D-ug. D-ug. Dug. So the dog went into the yard again and dug what? 5 more holes.
The boy and the girl ran
over to
the dog. The dog was
making a
big hole.
The
The boy said, "Get hold of that dog and that.
We
will stop that."
This digging. Circle letter E. What are they going to try to do? Digging. What digging? They want to get hold of that dog. And we will stop this digging. Max, read the last word. What does it say?
Stop.
Stop. Remember, this is part 1. The dog that dug. And this is part 1. Oh, so what will you see in the picture?
I don't know.
Will you see a dog? I
Yes.
think you will see a dog and 2 children. A boy and
A girl.
a girl. Maybe a hole. Let's look at the picture. Whoa. See the picture? So, what is that dog doing? Max, what is he doing? Digging, yeah? It's digging. What are the boy and the girl trying to do? Huh? What are they trying to do? Get hold of that dog. Yeah, they're trying to grab that dog, pull him out. Does it look as if they're stopping that dog?
Yeah.
Do you think they're stopping the dog? I don't think it's helping. Look, the dog keeps digging. Have you ever seen a dog dig a hole that big?
No.
Me neither. That dog sure likes to dig. Huh. Do you like digging dogs?
Yes.
You do? Thank you for reading, Max. We have to write what? The and duh. Oh, then we can go for a walk and buy finger paint for you as a surprise. As a prize. Finger paint. Yay! Yay! Are you excited? Okay, Max, this is how you write the. You know. You need t first, t like this, or maybe like this, and then h. And together they make the. Yeah, trace the. What sound is it? The. The boy, the mignon, the girl. Well done. The what?
The boy.
The boy. And this is the. Dog. You can even write dog. Max, can you write the? Do you see the?
Dog.
Wait, we have so many letters here. This is D for dog. Can you trace my D? You're tracing with your left hand. Okay. How about we write dog? Because there was a dog in the story. I'll start from here. So we have enough space for the whole word, enough room for the whole word. See, this is dog. Can you read this word?
Dog.
Dog. Okay, let's go buy finger paint for you. You deserve a little prize.
Finger paint.
Boo. Boo. Boo, boo, boo. Who said boo? Did you say boo?
Yes.
And I said boo too. You're such a good reader, Max. I love you. You're such a good reader. You're such a good reader, Max. You want to clap? Clap your hands. Yay, you're such a good reader. Thank you for reading with us today. Bye.
Hello.
Bye. Love you. If you want to help our channel financially, please use the link in the video description. Thank you. Thank you for learning with us today. Don't miss our next lessons. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.